So part D, question number 42, 5 marks question. So if y is equal to a into e power mx plus b into e power nx, so that d2y by dx square minus m plus n dy by dx plus m into n y equal to 0, right? Okay. So ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಪ್ಪ solution ನೋಡ್ರಿ, proof ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, right? The given function is equal to what? What is the given function? Y equal to a into e power mx plus b into what? E power nx. Okay, now differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx equal to, so what is the derivative of a is a constant, take outside. E power mx derivative is e power mx. Okay, e power x derivative e power x, but here it is mx is there. Again chain rule, derivative of mx becomes what? M. Okay, next plus b into e power nx derivative is nx, and again derivative of nx is n. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to first you write m e power mx plus b into n e power nx. Okay, so this is dy by dx. Again differentiate with respect to x. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Okay, so again differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, that is equal to d2y by dx square equal to am is a constant. Okay, now e power mx derivative is e power mx into m. Okay, next b into n, bn is a constant, and e power nx derivative e power nx into n, right, that is equal to, and d2y by dx square equal to c. So m into m becomes m square, then a m square e power mx plus bn square e power nx, right? Okay, see in the question, take LHS side. So LHS equal to what? See, LHS equal to d2y by dx square minus m plus n into y. Okay, m plus n into dy by dx plus m into n y. Okay, so LHS equal to RHS ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, that's all, right? Okay, see, so what is d2y by dx square, right? What d2y by dx square is, so already find out ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಇದನ್ನೇ ಬರ್ರಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, a m square e power mx, okay, plus bn square e power nx, it is minus m plus n. Okay, what is dy by dx? So dy by dx is equal to what? A m e power mx plus b n e power nx, bracket close, plus m into n, what is y? Y equal to bracket a into e power mx plus b into e power nx. Okay, right, that is equal to, see, a m square e power mx plus bn square e power nx. Okay, it is minus is there inside this one, m into am, that is minus, plus into minus minus a m square e power mx. Okay, again minus into plus becomes what? Minus m into bn, that is equal to b m n e power nx. Okay, one term complete ಆಯ್ತು. Next again minus, see, n into am, a into m n e power mx. Okay, again see here plus and minus, plus minus becomes minus, so that is equal to b n into n becomes what? N square e power nx. Okay, m into n multiple ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, plus a into mn e power mx plus again mn into b, again ಆಗುತ್ತೆ b into mn e power nx. see, okay na, so ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, a m square e power mx and plus a m square e power mx and minus a m square e bn square e power nx and bn square e power nx ನೋಡಿ, minus bmn plus bmn minus amn plus am. Okay, so total ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, is equal to 0 ಆಯಿತು. So that is equal to what? LHS equal to RHS. Okay, so ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳೋ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಭಾಳ ಈಜಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೊಂದು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, see next second question. So if y is equal to 3 into e power 2x plus 2 into e power 3x, prove that d2y by dx square minus 5 dy by dx plus 6y equal to 0. Okay, see last question is ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ, right? Solution. So what is the given function? Given function becomes what? Y equal to 3 into e power 2x plus 2 into e power 3x. Now differentiate with respect to x, that becomes what? Dy by dx is equal to 3. Okay, 3 is a constant. E power 2x becomes e power 2x, derivative of e power 2x becomes e power 2x, and again derivative of 2 becomes 2x becomes 2, plus 2 e power 3x derivative becomes e power 3x, again by chain rule derivative of 3x is 3. Okay, so that is equal to dy by dx equal to 3 to the 6 e power 2x plus 2 3 is a 6 e power 3x. Okay, so again differentiate with respect to x, that is equal to, again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Okay, so that is equal to d2y by dx square equal to, okay, 6 constant, e power 2x derivative is e power 2x into 2 plus 6 constant e power 3x derivative e power 3x into 3. Then d2y by dx square is equal to 6 2 is a what? 12 e power 2x plus 6 3 is a 18 e power 3x. Okay, see take LHS side. So LHS equal to, what is LHS? LHS equal to d2y by dx square minus 5 dy by dx plus 6y. Okay, substitute d2y by dx square. What is d2y by dx square? 12 e power 2x plus 18 e power 3x minus 5 into bracket. What is dy by dx? 6 e power 2x plus 6 e power 3x. Okay, so plus 6y. What is y? 3 into e power 2x plus 2 into e power 3x. Okay, that is equal to 12 e power 2x plus 18 e power 3x minus 5 6 is 30 e power 2x plus into minus again 5 6 is 30 e power 3x plus 6 3 is 18 e power 2x plus 6 2 is 12 e power 3x. Okay, see 12 plus 18, that becomes 30 e power 2x. 18 plus 12, that is also 30 e power 3x minus 30 e power 2x minus 30 e power 3x. Okay, see 30 e power 3x, 30 e power 3x, 30 e power 2x, 30 e power cancel. So that is equal to 0. That means what? LHS equal to RHS. Okay, right. So idondu important questions ಕೇಳೋ possibility ಇದೆ. Okay, right. Next question. See next question. If y is equal to sin inverse x, so that 1 minus x square d2y by dx square minus x dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay, so what is the derivative of sin inverse x? You know that derivative of sin inverse x becomes what? Derivative of sin inverse x is equal to what? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Okay, right. So next to see, so dy by dx becomes what? y1. You know that, right? dy1 by dx is equal to dy1 by dx equal to y2, right? So y2 means what? d2y by dx square, right? Okay, you know derivative of d by dx of u into v formula. Okay, so u as it is derivative of second function plus v as it is du by dx derivative of the first function, right? Okay, so istu barabeku ella formula, right? Okay, see, so solution. The given function is, so what is a given function? So y is equal to sin inverse x. Now differentiate with respect to x, that becomes what? dy by dx is equal to, what is the derivative of sin inverse x? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Okay, see, simple ide. So dy by dx means what? I will write y1. y1 is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Okay, take this term into this side. Okay, that becomes what? Inagate root of 1 minus x square y1 equal to 0 equal to 1, right? Okay, so e term e kade tagolri. Now squaring on both sides, so that becomes what? 1 minus x square into what? y1 square equal to 1 square becomes what? 1. Okay, right. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So you know derivative of d by dx of y1 square. y1 square means x square derivative is what? X square derivative is 2x. That means 2y1. So x square anta hogtini. Here x square is not there. So in the place of x square y1 is there. Again by chain rule adhan derivative would be y1 by dx. Okay, simple, right? So here you apply u into v formula. Okay, now differentiate. Okay, see here again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Okay, see u as it is, that means 1 minus x square as it is, and d by dx of what? y1 square plus y1 square as it is, and d by dx of what? 1 minus x square. Okay, derivative of 1 is there, derivative of constant becomes what? 0, right? So next that is equal to 1 minus x square. Okay, you already know derivative of y1 square becomes what? 2y1 and dy1 by dx plus y1 square. Okay, derivative of 1 constant derivative 0 and minus derivative of x square is what? 2x equal to 0. See okay, next step is 1 minus x square 2y1. Okay, so what is dy1 by dx? That is equal to y2. Okay, here minus is there, 0 minus 2x because minus 2x, here plus into minus minus 2x y1 square equal to 0. Okay, right. So here take 2y1 is common factor. 2y1 is common factor. So what is the remainder? 1 minus x square into y2 minus 2 is common, x y1 ಒಂದು ಹೋಗಿದೆ, so remaining y1 ಒಂದೇ ಉಳಿದಿದೆ, y1 equal to 0, right? Okay, see 2y1 take this side, that becomes what? 0 by 2y1 becomes what? 2. See, okay, I will write 1 minus x square into y2, okay, minus x y1 equal to 0 by 2y1. 0 by 2y1 becomes what? 0. Okay, see 1 minus x square, y2 means what? Can I write d2y by dx square minus x y1 becomes what? dy by dx equal to 0 by 2y becomes what? 0, right? Okay, next question. So if y is equal to sin inverse x whole square, show that 1 minus x square d2y by dx square minus x dy by dx is equal to 2. So this is important question. So for 5 marks. So it becomes 2016 March and 2015. Okay, 2 times kididane, right? Okay, see, simple, same ide. So solution. So what is a given function? See, given function becomes what? Y is equal to sin inverse x whole square. Okay, right. Now differentiate with respect to x, that becomes what? dy by dx. See here x square derivative. Okay, sin inverse x derivative ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡರಿವಿಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡರಿವಿಟಿವ್ ವಾಟ್? 2x2 sin inverse x. ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಬೈ ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಡರಿವಿಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್? sin inverse x, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು can I write dy by dx becomes y1 equal to 2 sin inverse x. See, what is the derivative of sin inverse x? So already ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, sin inverse x derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? root of 1 minus x square. Okay, we'll take this term this side, so that becomes what? Root of 1 minus x square y1, okay, is equal to 2 sin inverse x. Okay, see, again squaring on both sides, that becomes what? 1 minus x square into y1 square equal to 2 square and sin inverse x whole square. See, next 1 minus x square into y1 square equal to 2 square becomes what? 4. See this term, sin inverse x whole square. See, sin inverse x whole square becomes what? Y. Right? Okay, simple. Now again differentiate with respect to x. So that is equal to, okay, applying u into v formula. So that is equal to what? 1 minus x square as it is. See, derivative of y1 square becomes what? 2y1 dy1 divided by dx, right? And plus, see, y1 square as it is, and derivative of what? Derivative of 1 minus x square is equal to 4 as it is, and dy by dx. So next, 1 minus x square into 2y1. So dy1 by dx means what? y2 plus y1 square. Derivative of 1 becomes what? 0 minus 2x. Derivative of x square is 2x equal to 4. This becomes what? dy by dx becomes y. Okay. So next, 1 minus x square and into 2y1 y2. See, here plus into minus becomes minus. Minus 2x y1 square equal to 4y1. Okay, simple. So take common factor. Common factor is here 2y1, here also 2y1. 2y1 into bracket 1 minus x square y2 minus xy1, okay, is equal to 4y1. Okay, this term take this side, that becomes what? Okay, 1 minus x square into y2 minus xy1 equal to 4y1 divided by 2y1. Okay, y1 cancel, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So that becomes what? 1 minus x square y2 minus xy1 equal to 2. Okay, right. So next to write 1 minus x square. So what is y2? y2 becomes what? d2y by dx square minus xy1 becomes what? dy by dx equal to 2. Right? Okay. Next question. If y is equal to tan inverse x whole square, show that 1 plus x square y2 plus 2x into 1 plus x square y1 equal to 0. Okay, similar. Given function is what? Y is equal to tan inverse x whole square. Okay, now differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to what is the derivative of x square? So already last question ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಏನಿದೆ x square derivative what? 2x 2 tan inverse x. Okay, so by chain rule x square ಅಂತ x square ಇಲ್ಲ, in the place of x square tan inverse x is there. By chain rule again derivative of tan inverse x, d by dx of tan inverse x. Okay, right, that is equal to what is dy by dx1? Can I write y1 equal to 2 tan inverse x. Okay, so what is the derivative of tan inverse x? You know that tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, take this term on this side, so that becomes what? 1 plus x square into y1 is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Okay, so again differentiate with respect to x. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So that is equal to, here 1 plus x square as it is, u into v formula, dy1 by dx plus y1 as it is, d by dx of what? 1 plus x square, and is equal to 2. Derivative of tan inverse x becomes what? 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, right. So next, 1 plus x square dy1 by dx becomes what? y2 plus y1. So derivative of constant is 0 and derivative of x square is 2x. Okay, equal to 2 divided by what? 1 plus x square. See, at last step, so that becomes what? 1 plus x square into y2. Okay, here plus 2x y1 is equal to 2 by 1 plus x square. Okay, we'll take 1 plus x square, this term. Okay, here multiple, here 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square becomes what? 1 plus x square whole square y2, okay, plus 2x into 1 plus x square, okay, cross multiplication ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2x into 1 plus x square y1 equal to what? 2, right? Okay, last question. So if y is equal to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x, so that x square y2 plus x y1 plus y equal to 0. Okay, right. So the given function is y equal to what? 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. That is equal to dy by dx is equal to 3 constant. Derivative of cos. Derivative of cos becomes what? Cos x derivative is cos x derivative is what? Minus sin log x, right? Minus sin log x. Okay. Cos x and x illa. By chain rule again derivative of log x is 1 by x. Okay. Plus 4. Derivative of sin x is what? Cos x, right? Cos log x. Sin x and sin x in the place of x, log x is there. So again derivative of log x becomes what? X. Okay. So what is the dy by dx? You know dy by dx is equal to y1 is equal to c minus 3 sin log x. Okay. Plus 4 cos log x. Okay. Divided by LCM becomes what? X. Right. Here cross multiplication. X take this side, that becomes what? X y1 is equal to minus 3 sin log x, okay, plus 4 cos log x, right? So again differentiate with respect to x. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides, so that becomes, applying here u into v formula, x as it is dy1 by dx plus y1 as it is, okay, d by dx of x, derivative of x minus 3. Okay, so what is sin x derivative? Sin x becomes cos x, cos log x, divided by sin x and then by chain rule again derivative of log x becomes what? 1 by x. Okay, see, plus 4 cos x derivative becomes what? Minus sin log x, again derivative of log x is, okay, 1 by x, right? See, x, what is dy1 dx? dy1 by dx becomes what? y2 plus y1, right? Derivative of x becomes what? 1 is equal to minus 3 cos log x plus into minus minus 4 sin log x. Okay, see, so LCM becomes what? Here it is x, here it is x, x. Okay, here cross multiplication, take this side, x into x becomes what? X square y2, okay, plus x into y1 is equal to, okay, take minus outside, so that value becomes what? 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. Okay, so next, x square y2 plus x y1 equal to minus, okay, see this one, this term, 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x becomes what? Y. That becomes minus y. Okay, we'll take minus y this side, that becomes what? X square y2 plus x y1 minus becomes plus y equal to 0. Okay, right. See, ಈ ಟೋಟಲಿ 6 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳುವಂತ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಈಜಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಳುವಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ. ಸೊ ಅವೆರಡು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲಿ ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 39, 40, 41 and this is 42. Another one is 44. Total 5 questions ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಓಕೆ, ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ 4 ಇಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, 5 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ 4 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸರಿ 5 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ 5 ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಓಕೆ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 4 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? 20 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ, 20 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೀವು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದರೆ ವಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ 4 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.